stay here? Come here. I'll take your leash off. Yeah, Mommy says it's okay. Yeah, he doesn't know it. Okay, now they can go. Oh, look at that. Come on, let's take yours off too. Come on, baby. Come on.
Dolly, are you peeking?
You didn't know for sure. Oh, come on. There, now you can stay.
Can I stay? You like it here? You like it here?
Hey, this is your house. Yes, come on.
So this is the bathroom, and this is the shower curtain that I picked, and this is from Target. I think it was $9.99. I really like this pattern. And that's the ceiling, and this is the floor. Oh, it doesn't work. Hey, Tibby. I'm making a video. Can you be in a video? Like the shower curtain. What's he doing? You're a good boy. Good boy. You like your new house? Do you like your new house? Yes, you do.
Unrehearsed picture.
Okay.
We've worked hard.
Yes, you have worked very
I
hard.
don't even have a paintbrush or anything to show how hard
You
we
got to
worked.
soften that one
But-
side, it should be fun.
But we have
Yep.
worked hard.
But observe the
Yeah,
soffit.
please
Okay.
Observe the windows.
Yeah, you know what we should have is you guys give a tour of the house.
Oh yes, we will give you a tour of the house.
Okay.
But you have to,
We won't. You will.
don't get the Nova Scotia socks.
Okay, I'll get from your waist up.
Okay,
Okay.
so we'd like to show you the house, what the change that we've made in it. We did the upper
Wait,
cupboards.
do you want to introduce yourselves?
Oh, I'm the mom. Is that good enough?
That's fine, I'll
Okay.
edit it.
I'm the mom, and this is my sister Chris, and she came all the way from Colorado to work 10 days restoring this house to its 1960 perfection.
But I enjoyed painting. The glass is off now.
We're done with it. Okay, please notice we restored the windows. They were at the point where they would have needed to be replaced, and any sane person would have replaced them, I think. But we restored them to their natural, original beauty, painting them with a nice enamel paint. Okay, we also restored the cupboards, which were at a point where they needed some help too. And we decided to put the same knobs back on, which go beautifully with the color combination. A lot of leveling of this wall, so but it's still being leveled. And we also have painted all the rest of the kitchen. So let us show you the rest of the house so it's much more exciting. Oh, I think another really nice thing is we decided to leave this edge natural.
Mm-hmm.
And also the cupboard over there, a china cabinet, natural. And that adds to when the stuff is off it adds. Chris did this, a beautiful marble cabinet. But what happened? The front door, we thought it couldn't be salvaged because it was so filthy and stained, and we couldn't figure out how to get it apart, but we were able to get it apart and clean it all, scrub it, and it's come out beautiful. Where do you want
Guys,
to
you have to stay inside. Come on, Tibby.
I painted the back of this, so this can be, it's more sanitary, and you can scrub it. It's an enamel paint on that. Fixed the back bedroom, put up the blinds, the windows.
Don't you want to show the nice chairs that Aunt Chris made?
Oh yes, we refinished these
Please
chairs.
ignore the light on the ceiling.
We refinished these chairs, and I think they're really very nice. And then recovered the seats of the chairs. And I think they work out nice. They'll be nice. They
Want
were
to sit down in it and test it out?
these were definitely ready to be thrown out, but we rescued them. So
Good deal.
that's nice.
Good luck on the back door.
And I'm going home.
You ready to go home? Did you want to go to our upper house? Yeah, happy boy. Yeah, happy boy. Give me some. New refrigerator. Whoa, it's fancy.
You got 48 hours to find any flaws with it and report it.
Okay.
I didn't inspect anything. He's like, here it is, here it is, here it is. They were like, they're in the super.
Every time. Whoops. Oh, it's chafed. There's the snacks. There's the snacks in the refrigerator. Where are they? They're not in there.
Probably berries.
It's not scared at all.
Will be. It comes in there.
I don't even think it notices us. Do you guys want to be in the background of my video? Okay.